gabi ng September 23, 1972, tahimik na kumalat ang mga sundalong militar sa buong Metro Manila. Sa loob ng 2 oras, 8,000 tao ang kanilang inaresto. Mga senador, mamamahayag, estudyante at labor leaders. Nangyari ang lahat ng ito, 2 araw lang ang nakalipas mula nang nilagdaan ang martial law noong September 21, 1972 sa Pilipinas.
I have proclaimed martial law in accordance with the powers vested in the President by the Constitution of the Philippines. I assure you that I am utilizing this power for the proclamation of martial law vested in me by the Constitution for one purpose alone, and that is to save the Republic and reform our society.
Ipinakulong ni Marcos ang sino mang kumontra sa kanyang pagdeklara ng martial law. Nilusob din ng mga sundalo ang mga opisina ng pahayagan, radyo at telebisyon. Pagkagising ng mamamayang Pilipino sa umaga, wala nang mabasang dyaryo, mapakinggan sa radyo at mapanood sa telebisyon.
Yung pinakamalaking broadsheet yung Manila Times. Pagkatapos noon yung Taliba. Tapos noon malaki ang Chronicle, malaki din ang Herald. All the major newspapers were shut down. In fact, even the minor newspapers were shut down. After a few weeks, nag-umpisang lumabas uli yung mga Daily Express first of all. Tapos yung mga diyan ang mga may-ari ay malapit o pumapayag na sumunod sa kagustuhan ni Marcos. Mayroon ding isang Ministry of Public Information na siyang nagpapatupad ng mga iba't ibang mga decrees o batas na sariling gawa ni Marcos para kontrolin ang media. Naroon yung military censorship ng umpisa na kailangan lahat ng mga materyales na pinapublish o pinapakita sa television ay kailangan tingnan muna ng mga censors ng militar.
Ang martial law di kami nasa karsada noon. Hinihintay namin ng mga senador, nasa Plaza Miranda kami. Kahintay namin, walang dumarating at naubusan ako ng sasabihan. Sabi, habaan mo pa. Kasama namin sila Edicio de la Torre, tsaka sila Romy Capulong. Habaan pa rin namin, habaan. Yung pala, naaresto na pala sila Ninoy at sinara na pala ang Kongreso. At noon walang radyo. Buksan mo lahat ng stasyon ng radyo, wala kang madinig. At wala ng periodiko. Oo. Bigla yun na nawalan. Yun doon kami nervous. At tumawag sa akin yung pamangkin ni Senator Tanyada, si Tesiam. Charito, martial law na.
Must have been about 11 or so. You know, some of the guys in the group were going to go out to get cigarettes, siguro. They came back running and they said, your house is surrounded outside. They're full of military. So we ran up and Mom and Dad were in the room and we told them they're military soldiers. What they did was they went to their bathroom and peeped, because from their bathroom on the second floor they could look down the street and they saw. So Dad went down in his nightrobe. He and Mommy were already resting, no? And the soldier said, well, sir, we are inviting. That was the Marcos way of putting you in jail. It was an invitation one could not refuse. So being the lawyer that he was, Dad said, okay, where's the warrant? Of course, no warrant. It was just an invitation to the camp. Mom had to go to a neighbor's house to use the phone because our phone had been cut. And when we checked, Mommy called up I think also called up Chino Roses, Tito Chino, and he had also been taken. So that was when we realized that was was in for some time.
Ako po'y inaresto noong November 27, mga 2 months later. Sila po yung nag-round up ng mga 17,000 na tawag doon political prisoners sapagkat hindi naman sila kinasuhan, hindi naman sila binigyan ng charge sheet, pero tinampot lang sila at tinago sila sa Camp Crame, Camp Aguinaldo, at Fort Bonifacio at iba't ibang kampo dito sa buong Pilipinas, no? Nasa opisina lang po ako at dumating ho yung mga yung isang captain at isang major na kasama dun sa Presidential Security Command at sabi lang po sa akin, "Sir, can we invite you for questioning?" At tinanong ko, ilang oras? A few hours lang ho. Pero yung overnight na yun, lasted 4 years, 10 months, and 3 days.
Ganun ba yun? Dahil ba martial law, pwede mo nang hulihin at ipakulong ang mga taong hindi sumasang-ayon sa'yo? Ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng martial law?
Yung batas militar ay isang uri ng pamamahala na malaki ang papel ng militar. At sa karanasan ng Pilipinas ay binuwag yung Kongreso, isinara yung mga korte, yung civilian courts, no? At ang pagsasabatas ay ginagawa ng isang tao, yung Pangulo na diktador. Ang mga inuhuling mga pinagsususpet sa mga lumalaban sa gobyerno ay nililitis ng military tribunal o mga korteng binubuo ng mga general at mga koronel. Ang nagpo-prosecute, mga military men din. So, ganon yung katangian batas militar kasi tinututukan ng baril ang mamamayan. No? Naghahari yung presidente sa bisa ng dahas ng baril.
So in order to save society, he had to declare martial law and institute reforms. At saka nagkaroon pa ng peking ambush. Inamin naman ni Secretary Juan Ponce Enrile nung po siya ay Minister of National Defense na peke daw yung ambush ng kanyang auto doon po sa Wakwak Subdivision. Nagkaroon ng fake bombing sa looban Manila at yun ang ginamit ni Marcos ng dahilan kung bakit niya inideklara yung martial law. In the beginning, marami ho nag-welcome ng martial law sapagkat sabi po nila may disiplina ng and there was a discipline in the streets, masking sa driving, sa traffic.
I know that opportunity has been knocking at the door for the longest time for the Filipino people to rise up on their own and build a new nation.